Hi guys, this is Bindu. Welcome to AIM Collections. Today, Kan silk sarees, silk cotton sarees these are. So body is completely cotton and borders and pallu you will be getting ikkal pallu. So basically pallu is ikkal pallu and borders are silk borders with cotton body. So I have got so many collections, so many color combinations today, and these are budget friendly guys. You'll be getting these sarees under 2500 range. So with blouse piece as well as ikkal pallu. So let's start with the first saree. Saree number 1, which is a brown color with mustard yellow color borders. So this is a fusion of Kan with ikkal. Okay, let's open the saree. See the pallu guys. You will be getting this beautiful ikkal silk pallu. This is pure silk pallu guys. You could see the shining over here. This is pure silk pallu. With all over checkered patterns throughout the saree, there will be checkered patterns. Yeah. See? That's your draped look. See the borders guys. And this is mustard yellow borders with brown color body, checkered body, and the body of the saree is cotton. And borders, as you could see, these are silk borders with ikkal silk pallu. The pallu is pure silk. It's a fusion of Kan and ikkal. This is the first saree and you will be getting a running blouse for this. This is your blouse. It's running blouse with mustard yellow borders. So this is priced at 2400. This saree is priced at 2400. This is the saree number 1, which is brown color with mustard yellow combination. So this is how the saree looks. This is not so stiff guys. It's quite comfortable. As these are silk cotton sarees, this is quite comfortable. See? Yeah, this is the first saree. This is priced at 2400. Yeah, let's see other saree. Next one, which is a grey color with maroon color combination. Throughout the saree there will be self weaving. So the combination is teal grey color. It's a beautiful color actually. See the pallu guys. It's a beautiful pallu with, see the pallu, silver and maroon combination pallu it is. It's a silk pallu. Maroon color with silver combination. And throughout the body, the color is silver,
grey color.
Grey color. It's almost like silver I would say, with maroon color silk borders. So this is a single color we have with grey color combination. Grey and maroon is a different and rare color combination. That's your pallu.
Wow.
Beautiful saree it is.
It's very
Grey with maroon. So nice saree. So that's the saree guys. This is the saree number 2.
Priced at?
This is priced at 2400. This is also priced at 2400 guys. A greyish silver with maroon color combination with ikkal pallu. Silk ikkal pallu. The pallu is pure silk, borders are pure silk, only the body is silk cotton. So yeah, this is priced at 2400.
Show the blouse piece.
Yeah. This is your blouse. So the blouse is the running blouse where you will be getting maroon color borders. So this is a running blouse. See, pallu. And this is not at all stiff, guys, quite easy to carry. As you could see, this is not so stiff, quite comfortable. As it is a handloom saree, you can wear throughout the year. I mean, any season you can wear this saree. So this is our saree number 2, which is 2,400. Let's see another one. Which is a maroon color with a yellow. I mean, it's like
Orangish yellow.
orangish yellow it is. A dual toned yellow color border it is. And you'll be getting this checkered body throughout the saree. See the checkered patterns throughout the saree. It's a pure handloom, guys. Handloom saree it is.
See the silk pallu.
Beautiful pallu. I mean, the color combination is too good, so traditional. This maroon and yellow is so traditional. Pallu is pure silk ikkal pallu, and the body is like that. So this is the best choice for Varalakshmi Vratam, guys. So for the upcoming festival, we are showcasing these sarees today. Let's see the drape look of this beautiful saree. A perfect saree for a festival. These are festival sarees with traditional borders and pallu. So traditional color combination is. A maroon color saree with orangish yellow silk ikkal borders and ikkal pallu. Silk ikkal pallu it is. So this is priced at 2,400, guys. So this is a very traditional color combination, as you all know. This is a maroon with a beautiful yellow, orangish yellow color. Yeah, let's see the blouse part. This is your blouse. It's a running blouse with checkered patterns in the blouse as well. Throughout the saree there is a weaving. That's your...
Show me the pallu.
See the pallu, guys.
Silk pallu.
It's silk pallu. It's a silk ikkal pallu. Usually we see this pallu in ikkal sarees. So yeah, even the Kant sarees has got the ikkal pallu in the saree. Yeah, this is priced 2,400. Let's see another one. Which is a blue color. It's a Rama blue color. Rama blue with wine color borders. A maroonish wine color it is. Yeah, see the pallu.
Contrast
Pallu. It
pallu.
has got silver color also in the pallu. A complete contrast pallu. Beautiful one, which is the color combination. We have only one color in this range. I mean, in this collection we have only one Rama blue color. A very traditional color. Yeah. That's your pallu. Beautiful pallu. This is your drape look.
Yeah.
It's very nice saree. I mean, so beautiful saree. Throughout the saree, you'll be getting that self weaving throughout the saree. Yeah. So that's your pallu.
Borders are in purple color, right?
No, borders are wine color. Borders are wine. See? These are wine color.
And the pallu is maroon with silver color. Silk pallu.
Yeah, that's your blouse. This is your blouse, guys. It's a running blouse. You'll be getting this saree for 2,400. Let's see another one, which is a pink color now. So it's a pink color with maroon combination. Beautiful saree in the similar pattern like the blue one we have seen right now. It's a similar one. It's almost similar. With a similar kind of checkered patterns. That's your beautiful pallu. It's very nice. So pretty color combination it is. See the pallu, guys? So beautiful. This is a pink color. Magenta color. It's a magenta color with maroon dots. I hope it's the same color, no?
Yeah.
It's the same color in the video. Let's see the drape look, guys. That's your drape look.
This is the pallu with the red and yellow.
Combination.
Ended up with black.
Yeah. As well as tassels. There are tassels as it is a handloom sari. It's a handloom silk cotton sari. Come with a fusion of ikkal. Yeah, you will be getting a running blouse like this. That's your blouse. This is your running blouse.
Priced at
This is priced at 2,400. Wow. Let's see a black color with red color combination. It's a red with a black. That's your beautiful pallu, which has got red purple stripes like that. And it's a silk pallu, as I already told. Ikkal pallu. It is. Yeah. So each saree is of 6.5 meters length and width would be 46 inches.
Hello, Minaji.
So that's your saree. It's your draped look. It's a black color with red color silk borders, woven borders. Throughout the saree there is self weaving, guys, and you'll be getting purple and red combination ikkal pallu.
One can wear purple blouse
Yeah,
even.
you can even wear a purple blouse also, even a red color blouse. See, that's your blouse. This is your blouse. It's a running blouse. This is priced 2,400. Let's see another one. Wow, it's a purple color, light purple color with all over checks, woven checks with the orangish yellow border. This is a different color combination, a rare combination of colors. That's your beautiful pallu. It's your pallu. So nice. Yellow with purple combination of pallu it is.
See, the body has got dual tone texture.
And throughout the body, there is checkered woven patterns. Complete body has got. Here the pallu and borders are silk. And pallu will be getting a ikkal silk pallu. Borders are also silk. And body is silk cotton. So this is your sari. I mean, this is your drape look. Beautiful sari it is. Yeah, this is priced at 2,400. Let's see the blouse part. It's a running blouse with
Borders.
borders. Yeah. This is our next sari, which is a brown color with green color borders. I hope it's a maroonish, dark maroonish brown color.
This is your pallu.
That's your beautiful pallu. It's a silver and green color combination, completely contrast. That's your pallu. A beautiful silk ikal pallu. See? These collections are best for your Varalakshmi Vratam and any festival. These are also so traditional and very comfortable to wear. Throughout the day you can wear this sari. It will be comfortable for you because it has hand woven cotton and with traditional borders. It looks so amazing. This is a maroonish brown color with green color borders, and as well as pallu has got green with silver color ikal patterns. So this is priced at 2,400 guys. So if you want to blog, just click the link given in the description. Take a screenshot of the sari and you can click the link given in the description. Okay, let's see another one. And this is the last sari, which is
Hi Rima. The price of the saree is 2,400.
this is a dark navy blue sari. This is not black. It's a navy blue sari with green color borders. See the color in closer. It's a navy blue one.
With small
Blue color self
booties.
woven patterns are also there in throughout the sari. Lots of work guys. The sari has got lots of work. So each sari takes at least 1 week to weave, as it is a handloom sari. Wow. Pallu is so amazing. See the pallu? It's a green and silver combination silk ikal pallu. And the sari is silk cotton, as I already told you. See, it's so flexible. This is not at all stiff guys. You can easily wear the sari and you can wear in a single layer also. So this is a navy blue color, dual toned navy blue color with green color borders.
Stand and
Yeah. So this is the drape look, a complete drape look of the sari.
Yeah.
That's your pallu, beautiful pallu. And see the borders. This is priced at 2,400 guys. So with this we have finished Khan and Ilkal combination saris. These are silk cotton saris, as I already told you, with the borders, silk borders with the silk Ilkal pallu. So yeah, this is a fusion of Ilkal and Khan. So these are priced at 2,400. This is a festive collection for Varalakshmi Vratam. And yeah, we will come up with more tussar collections, I hope tomorrow. we're gonna do another live with tassels, double printed tassels. With this, we are done. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting handlooms. Keep supporting us. This is Bindu signing off. Bye bye.